We'll show you in a minute how a dual stage seat belt looks like. So once again, there's a bottom anchor tensioner. Not all vehicles have it, and I'll show you example in a second. And there's a secondary piece right here in the panel. And we need to get to this bolt right here, if you can see. And then this belt right here is being held right over here. Sometimes you have to remove this trim, but in this case we don't, because we can see the bolt. If you don't see this bolt, then yes, you might need to spend extra 15-20 minutes in removing this trim. All right, once this is out, we have to remove this panel trim. And a lot of times it's just clips. Take it easy on these clips, they can break, especially these small little parts right here.